Today we're looking about some fish, and I have scaled my fish, wash it a little. Now I'm going to add some distilled vinegar to erase most of the rawness from the fish. That's the latest. I use distilled white vinegar from last year. Yeah, does the job. So now I'm gonna wash my fish, and then I'm gonna put the seasoning in, and I'll be back. Yes, I'm making it. I just wash my fish and some of the cut more of the rawness. Ignore my chicken seasoning, my thyme, and my scallion, some pepper and garlic. So yeah, I've got everything here. So now I'm gonna start the process of washing my seasonings or vegetables, whatever you call it, and get back to you. Today is my first attempt of making curry fish, but we will see how it turns out. I've always wanted to do it. Oh, this around here is some pork. I was gonna make it, but my mind changed. I wanted something more quick and easy today, so yeah, I'm going with the fish. So my fish well nice and fresh. So I'll get back to you afterwards. I'm adding my seasoning. Add my fish. Not a lot. I have some black pepper. I also forgot that. So adding my black pepper now. Use black pepper, and I'm just gonna have a little of my curry seasoning now. Just a little for now, you have to burn the curry and everything like that. So I'm gonna get into, massaging the seasoning in my fish. I can't do it properly because y'all know I'm videoing. So I'm gonna have to pause the video to get everything in. This is my seasoning. I don't know if I showed it before. My sweet pepper, my thyme, my scallion, garlic is somewhere in here, and my onions. I'm gonna add my curry to burn. I add some garlic, just a flavor in my oil. My curry to my oil. We don't want the curry to burn until it's black. So now we're gonna add the seasoning. Tomato so soon to my pot, but you don't have to add tomato. Some people do, but I don't want any tomato. So I'm letting my seasoning cook to flavor my curry. You know that fish is something that cooks easily, right? So yeah, just frying up my seasoning. My fish are over there, well seasoned. The aroma. It smells so good. This aroma. Oh Lord. I'm gonna give it some time to cook, then get back to you guys. So we don't want to burn the seasoning too much. So what we're gonna do now is add some water and allow it to cook, to come to boil. When it comes to boil, I'll add my fish, because you know fish is a protein dish that is easy to cook, so you don't have to have it in the pot for long. Yep, so when this comes to boil, I'll get back to you guys when I start adding my fish. Before I add my fish, I forget my ingredients that I love so much. These are okra and potatoes and a little mixed veg. I'm gonna allow it to cook a little. So I'm gonna let this simmer down a little, and then afterwards I'll add my fish when this comes to a boil. It smells so amazing. You want to be in here to smell all the flavors and everything. So now I'm gonna add a small piece of butter, small piece of butter. Then I'm gonna add my fish one at a time. Coat the top of it with some seasoning. Yummy. Gonna add my last piece of fish. And continue. the finished product. Oh no.